To determine whether a number is a solution, we want to take that number and plug it in where we see the variable, and then use order of operations to solve. If we get a true statement, meaning if the left-hand side of the equal sign, it has the same value as the right side, then that value for the variable is the solution. In this lesson, we're going to look at problems that involve fractions. So for this problem, we have x minus 2/3 equals 1/6. And we have three different scenarios where x is a different amount. In the first one, we have x equals 1. So what we're going to do is plug in or substitute x for 1. Now, because I'm working with subtraction, I might want to go ahead and convert that 1 to a fraction. And maybe because I'm subtracting 2/3 from it, I'm going to convert this to 3/3. Remember that 1 is equivalent to a fraction in which both terms are the same, but not 0. So 3/3 minus 2/3, and we want to know, does that equal 1/6? Well, 3 minus 2 is going to be 1, and so we have 1/3, and that does not equal 1/6. So that's not the solution. So no. Let's go ahead and plug in 5/6. So instead of writing x, I'm going to write 5/6 minus 2/3 equals, and we want to make sure, or we want to figure that out, it's 1/6. Now I don't have common denominators, so I do want to change this 2/3 to 4/6. I'm basically multiplying each term by 2. And so now I have 5/6 minus 4/6. And I want to know if that's going to be equivalent to 1/6. It turns out that I will get 1/6. And because I have 1/6 on both sides, this is a true statement. And so this would be considered the solution. Now, if you had tried the negative number first, or if that was listed first, let's go ahead and see what that looks like. This would be a negative 5/6 minus 2/3, and we know that is also 4/6. And we want to know if that is a solution or is equivalent to 1/6. Now, when we have a negative and we're subtracting a positive, or what you might want to do is make this into an addition problem. And we can rewrite this as negative 5/6 plus negative 4/6. And again, we don't know. Now we're adding two negatives. This becomes a negative 9/6. And you can see that that is not going to be equivalent to 1/6. And so, no, this is not the solution. So like that last one, this would be the solution. Now, if you do find a solution, it's unlikely that any other will be the same, will also be the solution, at least for these problems here.